Hey kids, are you ready to learn your ABCs with me? Let's go. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it on your head. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, wow. E is for elephant, big and grey. F is for fish, swim, swim away. G is for grapes, a tasty treat. H is for hat, to keep us neat. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jam, sweet and bright. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear his roar cry. M is for monkey, swinging on the tree. Learning our letters is as easy as can be. Great job, everyone. We made it all the way to M. Next time, let's finish the whole alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. See you soon.